Which among the following is a standard petal of a papilionaceous corolla? The answer is option C, vexillum. So the vexillum is a standard petal in a papilionaceous, that is butterfly-shaped corolla, which is a typical in the plants of Fabaceae, which is legumes family, and it is the largest and uppermost petal that resembles a banner or a flag. Now, they do have the carina, which is the keel or the two lower fused petal that form a board-shaped structure, and also wing, that is two lateral petals that are positioned on each side of the keel. So here vexillum refers to the standard petal, which is the largest and upper one. Now, coming to carina, carina is the two lower fused petals, that is the keel, that form a board-shaped structure. So, carina is incorrect. Now, option B, pappus. It is a hair-like structure typically found in the seeds of certain plants. So, B is incorrect. D, corona. It refers to a crown-like structure in some flowers, and it is not used for the standard petal in the papilionaceous corolla. So D is incorrect. The answer is option C.